The Met Office in Exeter has issued a yellow rain warning for East Midlands, East of England, London and Kent, South East England, North West England, South West England, Wales and West Midlands. Very warm and humid conditions will lead to thunderstorms developing across parts of southern England, the South and West Midlands and Wales on both Saturday and Sunday. Thunderstorms will produce torrential rain and hail in places with up to 30 mm falling in an hour, while some places may miss the worst of the heavy rain. Reason for update: the warning has been updated to just cover Saturday with a new warning for Sunday and into Monday morning also in force.